Choosing the best quilting thread. There's a lot of different quilting threads out there, and it isn't always as simple as cotton or polyester. Both material and thread weight make a huge difference in the appearance of your quilting, so we're going to take a closer look at what threads you should consider depending on the look and style of the quilting you want to achieve. Invisible quilting, stitch in the ditch, trapunto, and micro quilting. You'll want to choose a specialty thread when you don't want your quilting to show. Many quilters will reach for a monofilament thread. You know, the thread that resembles fishing wire and comes in clear and smoke. However, these threads will still show up under bright lights and can cause your quilts to feel stiff and inflexible, especially with dense stitching. Instead, we suggest this 100 weight cottonized polyester thread called Invisifil. This super fine thread blends incredibly well in the fabric simply by choosing a basic neutral color. You don't even need to match the color very closely. We used a light gray shade of Invisifil on this quilt, and as you can see, it blends across every color. Because the thread is so small, it doesn't take up a lot of extra space in the fabric. That means you can get away with doing a lot of dense quilting or micro quilting, and your fabric will still stay soft and flexible. Even quilting this densely with a regular medium 40 or 50 weight thread would make your fabric stiff as a board, so choosing a finer thread like Invisifil will greatly improve the look and feel of your quilts. It also means that when doing a technique like stitch in the ditch, you only need to worry about stitching in the neighborhood. After all, even if you fall out of the ditch, the thread won't even show up anyway. Hand quilting and big stitch hand quilting. Quilting by hand takes a whole lot of time and patience, so you want to choose the best thread for the job so as not to make the task more difficult than it needs to be. A cotton thread has a good amount of friction to it so that your stitching won't easily slide out. We love Confetti and Tutti 50 weight long staple Egyptian cotton for this very reason. As a bonus, these threads have been double gassed, a process that removes 80% of the lint from the surface of the thread. This process is repeated a second time, resulting in an incredibly low lint thread that not only looks clean and professional, but glides through the fabric with ease. If you're doing big stitch hand quilting, you'll want to choose a larger thread that shows up a lot more. One of the options you can go with are these 12 weight long staple Egyptian cotton threads called Spaghetti and Fruity. These are thicker threads that will stand out boldly against the fabric, and, like Confetti and Tutti, have also been double gassed to achieve a super low lint finish. But if 12 weight isn't bold enough for your quilt, you can reach for an 8 weight thread. Eleganza is another double gassed pearl cotton thread that is even thicker than Spaghetti and Fruity. Many stitchers use this thread for hand embroidery. However, it's also the perfect choice for big stitch hand quilting. But if you're really going for a thread that likes to show off, you don't need to settle for anything less than Dazzle. This gorgeous 8 weight thread is a glossy rayon wound with a single strand of metallic, giving it a hint of sparkle. This reflective thread is perfect for adding glitz to your big stitch hand quilting without compromise. English paper piecing and turned applique. English paper piecing is a time-consuming but extremely worthwhile technique that is sure to add a lot of intricate beauty to your finished quilt pattern. Because this technique requires small stitches by hand, you'll want to choose a small thread that blends into your fabric so it doesn't show. Invisifil 100 weight thread is once again the best choice. Because the super fine thread takes up so little space in the fabric, your EPP pieces will sit tighter together and the thread will basically vanish in the fabric where it won't be seen. If you tend to pull a lot on your thread, or if you have arthritis in your hands or struggle with small slippery threads, then you can also use Decobob 80 weight as an alternative choice. This thread is only slightly thicker than Invisifil, but still does a great job hiding in the fabric and is a little easier to hand stitch with. Both of these threads are also fantastic choices for turned applique for the same reasons. Your applique pieces will sit flatter, and the thread will hide significantly better than if done with a regular medium weight thread. Simply choosing these specialty threads for these techniques will make a huge difference in the look of your turned applique. Decorative machine quilting. Do you want your quilting to stand out? Sometimes a regular quilting thread simply won't cut it. Let's take a look at Fabulux, a gorgeous 40 weight trilobal polyester thread that has a soft and shiny finish. Most threads you'll come across are round in shape. However, a trilobal polyester thread is actually triangular in shape. The flat sides of this thread will help reflect light from its surface, giving it a glossy look that helps it to stand out on your quilt. This thread comes in 5 bold neon colors and 35 variegated colors. If you want a high contrast look to your quilting, you can choose one of the bolder colors. If you want a more subtle look, then matching the colors to your fabric will give your quilting a simple, soft gloss. But sometimes you just need to go bolder. A heavy 12 weight thread is actually the thickest thread you can fit through the eye of your sewing machine needle. Spaghetti and Fruity 12 weight double gassed Egyptian cotton threads are quality, low lint options that love to stand out on the fabric and add a great texture to your quilting. Or you can make your quilting really stand out with Accent, a 12 weight 100% rayon thread. Or Glamour, a 12 weight rayon thread woven with a single strand of metallic for that pop of sparkle. While these threads aren't sturdy enough for edge-to-edge quilting on quilts that will be used, they are perfect for outlining, doing decorative quilting in smaller patches, or for any kind of quilting including edge-to-edge on art quilts or wall-hung quilts. Regular machine and long arm quilting. If you need a reliable thread that can be used for regular machine quilting or on the long arm, we always recommend choosing a quality thread that will treat your machine right. After all, many people will invest thousands of dollars on a high-quality machine, then go on to feed it a low-quality thread. Confetti and Tootie are our recommended medium-weight, 50-weight cotton thread lines, as they have been double gassed for a beautifully low lint finish. This will greatly reduce the lint buildup in your machine, meaning you won't need to clean it or take it in for servicing as frequently. The thread is also totally free of glue or residues that are sometimes applied to threads to give the illusion of a lower lint thread. However, these residues can gum up your machine and can be even more difficult to clean out than regular lint. A quality cotton thread like Confetti and Tootie will help keep your machine healthy and running smoothly. If you prefer quilting with polyester thread, then Master Quilter is your reliable workhorse. This 40-weight cottonized polyester has been treated so that it has a matte finish with no stretch, making it very easy to quilt with. This is the thread line we recommend to anyone new to long arming or anyone looking for an easy, reliable thread line that they can count on to get the job done right. This thread is also completely lint-free, making it a quality choice for any machine. And for those who love the way polyester thread stitches on the machine, but also want the look of a cotton, meet Ultima. This 40-weight thread has a polyester core that's been wrapped with cotton on the outside, giving it the strength and ease of polyester with the cotton look. Ultima is the cleanest wrapped quilting thread on the market, and offers reliability at an affordable price point. We hope this gives you an idea of what quilting threads exist, as well as how these different threads should be chosen depending on the look or technique you're planning. Were you inspired to sew with Wonderful Threads? Check out the list of online stores available to your country in the description box. You can also sign up for our educational newsletter for weekly tips, tutorials, and free patterns delivered straight to your inbox. We'll see you again next time.